Hello everyone, how are you? Today discussed how to freelancing work. Freelancers are self-employed professionals who work for client on individual project instead of having a permanent job with one company. How freelancer work step by step. Choose your skill. 1. Graphics design. 2. Video editing. 3. Web development. 4. Content writing. 5. Digital marketing. 6. Data entry. 7. Virtual assistant. 8. AI service. You skill now this eight skill. Create a portfolio. Step 2. Create a portfolio. Showcase your best work so client can see your skill. Step 3. Join freelancing platform. Some popular platforms include 1. Upwork, 2. Fiverr, 3. Freelancer.com, 4. People per hour, 5. Toptail for experienced professionals. Step 4. Apply for a job or receive orders. On Upwork, you send proposal to client. On Fiverr, client process for gigs. Step 5. Communicate with client. Discuss project requirement, deadline.